This is pork neck. Thinly slice the pork. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and some pepper, and mix well. Let it marinate for 10 minutes. To make the sauce, put 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce or soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, half teaspoon of minced ginger, and some pepper. Mix well. After 10 minutes, heat a pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the marinated pork and stir fry on high heat. Once partially cooked, add the sauce and continue to stir fry. Add some onion and green onions near the end. And sprinkle with sesame seeds. Doesn't it look delicious? Spicy and savory pork is done. Let me show you 2 dipping sauces. For fish sauce, chop some hot peppers and slice a bit of green onions. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a bit of sesame seeds. This is optional. And half a tablespoon of honey or sugar. Mix well. For peanut sauce, put 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Mix well. Vegetable preparation. Thinly slice the red bell pepper, thinly slice the yellow bell pepper, thinly slice half an onion, cut the cucumber into appropriate sizes, and then slice thinly. Slice it again into thin strips. For a decorative touch, cut some of the cucumber into round shapes. Thinly slice the carrot into similar lengths and then into thin strips again. All vegetables are now ready. If you do not like a spicy pork stir fry, you can make it with shrimp instead. Wash the lettuce in advance and remove any excess water. Now let's roll them in rice paper. Soak the rice paper in cold water and shake off the excess water. Place a little lettuce on the rice paper. Add a bit of the main ingredient, the spicy stir-fried pork. Add a bit of each vegetable. Start rolling from the bottom up, wrapping the ingredients inside. If you want it to look prettier, place 3 slices of cucumber you prepared earlier. Fold the sides in. Continue rolling until completely wrapped. Beautiful spicy pork rice paper rolls are ready. Shrimp version. Place lettuce on the rice paper and add a bit of the sliced vegetables. Slightly cover with the rice paper. Place about 3 shrimps. Fold the sides and roll up completely. Shrimp rice paper rolls are ready. You can dip these in sauce or cut them in half to eat. The color is so pretty. Serve with a little fish sauce or top with a peanut sauce for a delicious meal. You really must try this. It's so delicious. Healthy and tasty spicy pork rice paper rolls is done.